Here's the whale. There's the whale. Right there. Whale. That's the whale. Which one do you want to see? Hit the switch.
Seahorse.
There's the seahorse. That's a seahorse. You say horse? Which one do you want to see next?
Crab.
There's your crab. Good job. There's one left. There's only one left that you haven't seen yet. It's over here.
Penguin.
The penguin. There's the penguin. 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 Give it to Mommy. Thank you. Is there anyone you want to see again?
Yeah.
Hit the switch of the one you want to see.
Seahorse.
You want to see the seahorse. There you go. Seahorse. That's the seahorse.
Yeah.
Adam, where do these fish live? They live in the ocean?
Good.
Ocean. Do you get to go to the ocean? That's called beach.
Oh, good.
Say beach. Say beach.
Good.
Good job. Good job. Are you done or you want to see more?
Whale.
I want to see the whale. There you go.